Hello my friends, a happy rainy March the 14th here. I've got I don't know how long I'm rucking for today. I didn't map this out at all, but I've got the trusty Fitbit on that will tell me all the deets that I need to know. And it's a flat ruck today through the city on some paths that are very muddy. So I'm really looking forward to this one. I've been looking forward to this one all day because I've been sitting my ass in a chair all day. So this should be fun. Here we go. Oh, the beavers are busy. Beavers are busy. That there is a beaver dam. At least 3 beavers live in there. And a couple of muskrats. One good thing about rucking or hiking or walking or biking in inclement weather in the city is that oftentimes the paths are clear and it's just you out here and a couple other stray cats doing their thing as well. But I like it. I like the solitude. So there's incentive to get out in the rain and the snow and the sleet. It's lonely, and that's a good thing sometimes. It's a very popular spot to hang out in Guelph in the summertime, where the 2 rivers meet, the Speed and the Aramosa, right beside the lawn bowling club. See my church out in the distance. It's a basilica. And here we come to one of Guelph's many beautiful landmarks. The covered bridge. Very pretty. They don't build these like this anymore. One of the nice things about Guelph's river system is that at any moment you can come off the path and you could walk the forested covered path here. You can pretty much do that through for the length of the Speed River, which is awesome. Feeling like you're more in it, off a more well-traveled path with some added obstacles as well. That's nice. Look, holes. Always finding holes. So many critters living under the ground. More here. Now we're getting fun. Now this is fun. Let's go. Whew. What's super interesting about running on trails versus a path, even a gravel one, is even though it's uneven ground, my ankles hurt a lot less. It's almost like just being on that natural earth is just so much more, like our bodies are so much more adapted to that than artificial paths, obviously. Whatever. I have to do some more ankle exercises. Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Almost up the butt. That's not comfortable. Okay. Here we go. You wanna know why I love people? Because people do things like this. They put a little fairy door on trees. And there's lots of them along this path. I love people. I love that they do things like that. It just makes the world a little bit better. Even though it seems so inconsequential, it makes strangers smile, like me. So I like it. That right there, my friends, is a bat house. You've heard of a bird house. Well, this is a bat house. And if I were to get up close and go underneath, you'd probably see some bats hanging out in there, but I won't, because that's their home and I don't have a warrant. But the city of Guelph has put these up around. I don't know if it's a city or an organization within the city, but those are bat houses. Pretty neat, eh? This also marks the end of the trail. So I'm gonna turn around now. And we've done 2.75 miles, which will bring the total up to like 9 kilometers when everything's done. I want to show you. You guys can see that house there. That's like another landmark. Guelph is just full of these landmarks. All these flags and sports logos and what have you. Kind of cool, eh? Yeah. Look at how muddy this is. Oh shit. Okay. Please don't fall. A trick of death once again. Oh yeah. Oh. I just had a super funny experience. A girl was walking, young lady, let's say. She had an umbrella, and she sees me running, and she goes, "Would you like an umbrella?" And here I am thinking she's making a joke because it's raining. No. She's like, "No, I'm serious. Would you like one?" And I'm like, "No, I'm out here on purpose. I'm intentionally running in the rain." So. Oh man, people think I'm homeless, just running around the city. Maybe it's the mustache. All right, coming up to the end of the run, 6.03 miles. I don't know what that is in kilometers, but I feel good. I feel really good. I'm gonna get more of a break down inside our home.